Welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you Xiaomi Smart Camera C400 review. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content, and watch the video till the end. Here you will see I am in the official website of Amazon where people provide their review regarding this. Here you will see in the left side 4.4 star is provided out of 5 by the peoples. This is the review from the United States, and this is the negative review. Says that not very solid. And here in the down these are the top reviews from other countries. This is the another review, easy to install and use. I recommend it to 1000. And this is the another review. I have a C300 and this C400. They are great cameras at a more than acceptable price. Clear image and the fact that they rotate 360 degree is great for monitoring pets in the house. Perfect night vision. So these are the mixed reviews related to this product. Now let's look at the pros and cons of the product. So first talk about pros. High quality video. Offer 1080p HD resolution for clear footage. Two-way audio. Enable communication through the camera with its built-in microphone and speaker. Wide field of view. 360-degree pan and 90-degree tilt provide excellent coverage. Night vision. Infrared night vision ensure visibility in low light conditions. App integration. Easy integration with the Mi Home app for remote monitoring and control. AI motion detection. Alert you when movement is detected. Enhance security. Now let's look at the cons. Limited storage options. Free cloud storage is limited, requiring subscriptions for additional storage. Dependence on Wi-Fi. Performance may be affected by network instability. No local storage option. Lack a micro SD card slot for a local storage. Rely on cloud service instead. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.